What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove the Remember Me button and field from your WordPress login page. This is a very useful thing in the case that you would like to enhance its security and to make persons always log in, okay? This is a good practice. And you can do this for free, without coding, using a simple solution. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click into the sub-menu, Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to Search Plugins, you're gonna click into this field and type WP Code, just like this. After this, click on Install Now into WP Code, insert headers, footers, custom code snippets, WordPress Code Manager. Click on Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Review the left sidebar of menus once again, and next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new submenu called Code Snippet. Okay, you can click on it. And you can click on Add New Button, the blue button into the upper right corner of your screen. Then, review this middle sidebar. We have all snippets, popular, admin, archives, and we have login. Click on login. Hide Remember Me. All we have to do is click into this button. You're gonna be asked to enter to connect with the WP Code library. You're gonna need to create your account or log in to a previously made account. Click into Connect to WordPress. Gonna close and you're gonna be able to use the snippet. So all I have to do now is move back to login, scroll down, find the Hide Remember Me, click on Use Snippet. This is gonna create the snippet for you. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. All I have to do now is change this feature from inactive from the upper right corner of your screen to active and hit the update button. And you are now good to go. No more Remember Me button. Let me show you. No more button. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.